Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video we will do a podcast about the importance of education in our life. So before we start, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Kenas Sakta Mulya Wiraputra. You can call me Kenas, and this is my friend.
My name is Muhammad Rosid. You can call me Rosid.
And my name is Usama S. Alkorni. You can call me Usama.
So let's start.
Okay. What is important of education?
So the importance of education is we can learn some basic skill for our life. So maybe like you want know about something, maybe example you want to know about how to make a website or how to make an apps. That's from education. So from education you can learn about culture, maybe like technology or so many things that can help you in your life.
What can we learn from school?
So you can learn from school. There is so many things, maybe like mathematics or like learn about science and about other something, maybe like sociology. You can learn so much something in schools, maybe like to make a friend, how to make a friendship, and you can also learn about religion and how to improve your school at the school.
Okay. How does education help our future?
Education can help our future, especially if you want to work. Of course you must have education. So education is very useful for us because what example, if you want to work in company, of course they will ask our education. So education will help us in every aspect. Maybe like in your future you have to college, and if you have to work, that's they must be have an education.
Why school every? Why school every? Okay. Why school every child go to school? Child go to
So,
school.
Why should child go to school?
Yes.
Because school is very important for them. So they must learn about like a simple something, simple like child. They have to learn how to write, how to draw something, and maybe they must know like the new words or simple words. That's why the reason child must go to the school, because that's the what they that's include their education as well. So they learn also from school, not just from their parents.
How does education make people smarter?
So education can make people smarter. That's of course. That's why people have an education. That's for they get new knowledge, so they can use it. Maybe like in their school, they get education, and that's make them smarter than before. And then if they want to know something, they also can learn from their education. So that's why education make us smarter and make us more easier for facing challenge.
How can technology? How can technology help us learn about? Help us learn better.
Technology. So how technology can help us learn better?
Yes.
So technology is very important in education. Is what? Because like right now there is so many platform we can use for education, like maybe decoding or ruang guru, and that's also include the technology like website and apps, and also we can use TV or our phone for study. That's the reason why technology can help us learn better. They very helpful, and and very useful for help us study. Example, like if you don't know about something, you can ask to Google or Gemini or ChatGPT. That's one of the things that you can use from technology. And also if you want to make a poster but you don't want to draw, you can also use like design platform, maybe like Figma or Canva or Corel Draw. That's how do you use technology for help you learn better.
What can we do to go school every day? What can we do to school every day?
What can we go?
We do to school every day.
Or what can we do
To
to school
Every
every day? So we can study in school every day. Like same like this Monday until Friday, you can study in your school, or you can also improving your new skills in school. And the education in school is very good, of course, because you choose that school for your education be more better, right? That's why the good things that you have to do every day in school, maybe just study and just make a friendship with your friend and improving your skills. That's the thing that you can do in school every day. Maybe like you memorizing Quran or learn new something. That's some education we can do in our school.
Why should we respect our teacher?
Our teacher teach us many things. They teach us maybe about Dinia, English or IT. They are very helpful for us, and also we cannot forget them because they help us, and also we need them. Instead, we have to respect our teachers, because our teachers, teachers, we have to respect to them. Don't you cannot roasting them or hate them, because they teach us many somethings for our future can be more better.
Okay, good.
But
Why do we need teacher?
why do we need
Teacher.
teachers? Teachers help us for study, right? They help us for study, for maybe they help us for make a project, or also why do we need teachers? Yeah, of course, because they teach us many knowledge, and also we need them for teach us for improving our knowledge and our skills.
How can education change our life?
So education can change your life if your education is very good. Like if you have good education, you can also maybe in a high school you have good education. Maybe you can get a good college, and maybe you can get scholarship, or your skill is very good because your education is very good as well.
How does education make people smart? This thing lah.
How can education make people smart?
Yes.
Of course, because people is always learn from the education, right? So maybe like education in school or in their college, they learn from the education, and that's make people smarter. It can help them smarter maybe in their work, in their college, or when they study something. It can make them more smarter and maybe more understand with the new knowledge from education.
Okay. How can education can we success in our life?
Yes, of course. From education, we can also success in our future later. Example like you always discipline when education, and if you always consistent, that can make you success. Of course, and also if you like the education and you are very interesting with that, it can also make your future become more good and more better.
If I lazy in school, what I do in school?
If you lazy in school,
Yes,
what should you do?
yes.
You should do your parents in home. You should think your parents. If I lazy, just think of them. They have pay your school, they have pay your money, like they have given you money, so you have to be more pursue in school, and you have to gain new knowledge and new skill for your education more better.
Usually I'm in class, no understand what teacher say.
You can ask again to the teacher. Maybe like if the lesson has done, you can ask to the teacher, "Sir, I'm sorry, I didn't understand it last time. Can you repeat again?" Like example, like the class has end, you can ask to your teacher, or maybe you can ask to your friend,
Okay.
or you can also searching in like internet or something that can help you.
Betul.
Okay guys, maybe that's all from us about why education is important. Hopefully you guys get the benefit and understand what we said. Thanks for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Education is not just about going to school and getting a degree. It's about widening your knowledge and absorbing the truth about life.